Robert, have you ever noticed that moment when English words are right there in your head, but the second you start speaking, your confidence just disappears?
Oh, yes. That exact moment when your brain freezes and you think, why do I suddenly sound not like myself?
Exactly. And today, we're talking about one tiny habit that fixes that. Not grammar, not vocabulary, just one small thing.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Robert.
And I'm Emma. And if English makes you feel less confident than you really are, this episode is for you.
Emma, let me ask you something. Why do so many learners know English but still sound unsure when they speak?
Hmm, good question. And honestly, it's not because they're bad at English.
Really?
No, it's because they rush. They rush their thoughts, their words, their sentences.
Ah, yeah. Like they're afraid of silence.
Exactly, Robert. Silence feels scary. But here's the secret. Silence is actually power.
That's funny. Most learners think silence means, oh no, I forgot English.
Yes, but native speakers hear silence and think, oh, this person is thinking.
That's such a big difference.
So here it is, the tiny habit that changes everything. Pause before you speak.
Hmm. Pause. Not long, not awkward, just a moment.
Exactly. Even half a second. That pause tells your brain, I'm in control.
And it tells the listener this person is confident. Why does it work, though? Why does a pause make such a big difference?
Because confidence isn't about speed. It's about calm.
Hmm. Calm English sounds confident.
Exactly. Fast English sounds nervous. Calm English sounds sure. Let me show you. Listen to this sentence without a pause. I think this idea is simple but useful.
Okay, that sounded stressed.
Now with a pause. Well, I think this idea is simple but useful.
Oh. Same sentence, totally different feeling. It almost sounds smarter.
Yes, not smarter, just clearer.
Most beginners do the opposite, right?
Yes, they think if I speak fast, people won't notice my mistakes.
But actually,
People notice the fear, not the mistake.
that's painful, but true.
And here's the good news. You don't need new words. You don't need better grammar. You just need to slow down.
Okay, pause is one habit. What's the second one?
Thinking in ideas, not sentences.
Explain that.
Most learners build sentences word by word in their head. That creates pressure.
Yeah, like assembling furniture without instructions.
Exactly. Instead, think of the idea first. Idea? I don't agree. You don't need a perfect sentence. You can say, well, I'm not sure about that.
That sounds natural. And if you pause first, it sounds even better.
Yes. Pause plus idea equals confidence combo. Let's do a small exercise. Say this slowly. Well, I think.
Already feels calmer.
Exactly. Your body relaxes, your voice relaxes.
Emma, we've covered pause and ideas, but there's one more thing.
Yes. And this one changes how people feel when they listen to you.
All right, now I'm curious.
We'll break it down next. We'll break it down next.
All right, Emma. You stopped us at a dangerous point. You said there's one more thing that changes how people feel when they listen.
Yes. And this one is subtle. People almost never study it, but native speakers use it naturally.
Okay, I'm listening.
Intonation, your voice going up and down.
Oh, that thing.
Yes, that thing. Most learners speak English in one flat line.
Oh, yes, like a robot.
Exactly. Correct words, correct grammar, but zero confidence feeling.
I've heard that so many times. The sentence is perfect, but my brain thinks, why does this sound sad?
Yes, because confidence lives in intonation, not vocabulary. When you speak with intonation, people feel emotion, and emotion equals connection.
Hmm. So confidence isn't about being correct.
Exactly. It's about being alive. Listen to this. I like this idea. Flat voice.
Sounds unsure.
Now, well, I really like this idea.
Oh, instant confidence. Why don't learners do this naturally?
Because they're busy surviving the sentence. Grammar, words, fear, everything at once.
So intonation disappears.
Exactly. Let's connect everything now. Pause. Think in ideas. Use intonation.
That's it?
That's it. No advanced grammar, no fancy words.
So people study English for years and confidence comes from this?
Yup, life is unfair like that. Let's practice together. Say slowly, well, I think. Pause.
Already feels different.
Now add intonation. Well, I think this works.
Wow, that actually sounds confident. You know what's interesting, Emma?
Hmm?
Confidence comes after calm, not before.
Yes, people wait to feel confident to speak, but speaking calmly creates confidence. And this is important for listeners. If English makes you nervous, it doesn't mean you're bad.
It means no one taught you this part. I remember a student once told me, I sound stupid in English.
And they weren't.
Not at all. They just rushed and stayed flat.
So, here's a new belief for you. Confidence is not speed. Confidence is control.
Pause. Idea. Intonation. We should put this on a t-shirt.
Yes, slow English equals strong English. Tonight, don't study vocabulary. Don't open grammar books.
Just speak. Slowly.
Pause. Use ideas. Play with your voice.
Next episode, we're talking about something dangerous.
Yes, why trying to sound perfect is killing your English.
Oh, that's a big one.
Don't miss it.
See you next time.